away he flew. Let's recite again. Once I saw a little bird going hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And I was going to the window to say, how do you do? When he shook his little tail and away he